Hey guys, PDT here. It's February 15th, and that can only mean one thing. Happy St. Skeletor's Day! That's right, it's the day coined by comedian Richard Herring in This Morning with Richard Not Judy, devoted to the destruction of all that is love and all that stuff. I can't get behind that because, you know, I've got a girlfriend now. I'm hoping I've still got a girlfriend at this point. I'm recording it at the start of February, so things could have gone horribly wrong by now. As you know, I'm up in Newcastle at this point. But assuming they haven't, you know, I can't be behind that. But what I can do is pay tribute to St. Skeletor's Day by playing He-Man on the Commodore 64. Yeah, let's have a look. Okay, we're off to a good start in that, I tried binding the return key to a key, but that doesn't work. So let's just type in return to start. Really showing you behind the curtain here, guys. Okay. I'm in some kind of castle. I'm assuming this is Castle Grayskull. Cool. We get an actual, 4-bit version of the He-Man theme tune. I don't know, is this 8-bit? Who knows? I'm going 8-bit. Incidentally, if you've not watched it, Go 8-Bit is a show on Dave, and comedians get to play. It's called Dara O'Brien's 8-Bit. That's a bit wrong. It used to be McNeil and Pamphilon's 8-Bit at the Edinburgh Fringe. Okay, I fell through a thing, but now I'm in a forest, so that seems to be okay. Dara O'Brien's 8-Bit, but it's cool. It's comedians playing video games, basically, against each other. Nope. Okay, so this is the bottom of everything. Yeah, this is the rendition that you'll have stuck in your head all day, and that'll probably play as you die. I mean, I've got to say, He-Man himself is rendered pretty well for the era. You know, I always thought the Commodore 64 was inferior to the ZX Spectrum. Maybe this is something that I need to reassess, because I mean, you wouldn't get graphics this good on a ZX Spectrum game. You just wouldn't. As much as I love the Specky. I mean, I know what you're thinking. This looks like arse, but believe me, for the time, this is pretty impressive graphics. I mean, I'd say this is certainly comparable to anything the NES would give us. I think the NES came out around this time. Again, I could be wrong. I'm just a bloke playing computer games in his bedroom. I'm not a gaming historian. Yeah, He-Man was created to sell toys and video games, it turns out. Computer games. I've got to get my own. Okay, so I'm guessing this isn't Castle Grayskull, I think. I mean, I don't know if I'm meant to be in the forest, or I'm not meant to be in the forest. Those are my only two options, so it is definitely one of those. Sword status is 1. I'm sure my sword status was 1 before. Ooh, naked barbarian women. At least, in my head, that's what I'm choosing to believe they are. They failed me. Try again. Okay. I am up for trying again. I'm unbelievably up for trying again. Everything's stopped. I guess I need to input. I mean, surely I must be able to do bind. Yes, Wiimote. Okay, done. Good. Yes. That all seems fine. Okay. No, I don't want to reset. Yeah, reset to defaults, whatever. Yes. I think I've broken the game by playing it. I mean, as I said before on the ZX Spectrum, this is the kind of thing that just often happened. all it would take is playing the game to just mess everything up. Okay, I'm going to have to do that every time, which I'm sorry, I know it's annoying, but I'm the one most annoyed by it, so you've got no right to complain. Okay, I've got a dude up there trying to kill me. Huh. I mean, come on guys, you all remember this bit from He-Man, don't you? Where he's going on a spinning nail in the middle of nowhere. Oh! And that appears to be Gypsy from Mystery Science Theatre 3000. I don't remember her being in it either, but hey. He-Man! Oh, I see, the tune restarts every time you go into a different room. That's inconvenient. Oh, my body shield has gone. It's alright, it was just flab anyway. Only two others knew our secret. Man-at-Arms and Orko. Oh god, I hope Orko's not in this. He was a annoying, like, red-hooded little prick. Kind of looked like a red Jawa, I suppose. Don't know what happened there. I'm assuming I died somehow. Oh no, because I've still got all the lives that I had before. The game just broke, I suppose. Hey, come on, I want to crack some more skulls. To pick up a flower. Woohoo! Get more sword power. No, I can't. Wow. I mean, I don't know. I think I'm imagining the fact that his long flowing locks are sort of flowing behind him as when he runs. But this is kind of cool for the time. What? And somehow I've cracked an extra skull, so that's nice. Let's crack this dude's skull. No, I can't. Or maybe I can. Nope, that was a waste of sword status. Okay, I've cracked 30 skulls apparently. See, the controls are ass, but I'm quite enjoying the game. It's kind of why I'm not saying as much, because I'm just having a fun time. I mean, I never expected that kind of thing to happen when I started doing these. He leaps far too far. I mean... Oh... Bit of platforming fun, you see. Oh, I mean... That barely got me. The one time that collision detection actually works. That's the thing, collision detection would always be shite on these until you actually didn't want it to be, and yeah, until you actually wanted it to be. Okay. You know, I'm not saying you're going to see a lot of this game, but everything that you do see is going to be beautiful. You know, we're definitely not going to celebrate Skeletor's Day by actually seeing Skeletor. I think, if I can promise you anything, it's that I won't be good enough for that to happen. But we will hear a lot of this music. I can't duck. That seems like a flaw. Ah! So the problem I'm having there is, you can't go up in the screen by pressing up and left at the same time. Because if you do that, that assumes that you want to jump. So I have to kind of do it as up, right, like that. I mean, I'm assuming this is joystick emulation that I've got going on. Okay, I've picked up a plant. That's new. That wasn't there last time. Yeah, cracked some skulls. I mean, that's a weirdly kind of grim thing to have as a counter. Because He-Man the cartoon... I mean, this is based on the He-Man cartoon, I assume. You know, it's the He-Man cartoon design. And I was about to say it's the He-Man theme, but that bit's definitely not in it. Were there dragons in He-Man? Of course there were. I'm guessing all of this is incredibly authentic. I mean, the one thing I like is that this is clearly... like, some effort has gone into making this. I was busy talking. I'm sorry, that was entirely my fault. Yeah, like all of the other bad stuff I've done hasn't been my fault. Oh! Unforgiving. This game is unforgiving, but that's how games were. Says the old man PDT. Games were so hard in my day. What was that? That's meant to be an old person voice, but... well, specifically an old man voice, I mean. I feel like I don't need to couch that one in gender-neutral terms. I was trying to be an old man. An old woman would be more like this. Although, ironically, that is more like Skeletor than an actual old woman. So, you know, happy St. Skeletor's Day. I mean, obviously we're coming to the end of this. I know, you could watch this forever. You could certainly listen to that music forever. I mean, maybe I'll just bugger off at 15 minutes. Just let you sit and listen to the music for another 20. Okay, so this time it's a sword there. Or not, because it hasn't added to my sword status. See, you were doing so well and then the music just goes off into this weird tangent. Oh, come on, that went right through her. Where the hell is she? Like, in relation to... what? Oh, that's crap. Sorry, that is BS. Yeah, I got the key, and I don't... oh, come on. You should not be able to dive off the scenery like that. Yes, I've cracked 40 skulls, but it's been the same skull 40 times. Oh, I'm getting a bit annoyed now. No, I'm not. That was just fake annoyance. I'm actually still quite enjoying it. There is a good chance that I will try and play this for the next, like, 2 hours and just not broadcast those bits. 60 skulls. I do like that in video games, actually, when you get a power up to your sword and it can shoot laser beams. I always liked it in Zelda. And I hate snakes in video games, because invariably you can't actually do anything about them apart from dodge them. Why can't I kill the barbarian men? I mean, come on. See, my girlfriend really hates the music on these things. I think anything before, like, PlayStation 2, she's like, I hate the music on it. She got her, like, NES classic type thing, but a knockoff one from China. So it's got like Super Mario 10 on it. And yeah, she says she has to play it with the sound off because she just can't stand the kind of bleepy bloopy music. I love it. You know, it's what I grew up with. But then I'm someone who, when the internet first got access to the internet, just downloaded a shitload of midis and used them as it, listened to them as if that was the real music. So I'm not a good judge of person. I'm not a good judge. Oh, there's no key there this time. Brilliant. So do I need to try and go in this building? Do I need to... Well, we're never going to know. Or rather, you're never going to know. I'm definitely going to play it for a bit longer. So happy St. Skeletor's Day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.